Hello everyone, this is a Patriot coming at you with another video. Today the video talking about the GR.1 tornado. This is from Hobby Master in 1/72nd scale. The item number is HA6716. Um, the major role of this particular aircraft played a pivotal role in weakening the Iraqi Air Force during the Operation Desert Storm. Aircraft like a Tornado GR1 carry out various cross-border combat missions into Iraq, and throughout the Gulf War, these missions were instrumental in crippling the Iraqi Air Force. So, arguably, this aircraft was one of the RAF assets. And guys, this is not the newest acquisition to my collection. This is my fourth Tornado, and I just love these Tornado, guys. They're just beautiful. Hobby Master makes beautiful tornadoes. So here I'm just trying to give you an idea, showing you some of the details. Here's some cockpit details, guys. Sorry, guys, the lighting's not an optimal here, but I'm just trying to do my best to give you a better view. This is from perpendicular view. Yeah, I think you can see some of the details there. It's pretty decent. Just trying to give you guys a little 3D view. The last tornado I've got, it was the from Luftwaffe, the German Air Force, which got that kind of jungle camo. But I like this one. It's just beautiful. It's kind of like a desert scheme. It's very nice. And you may guys notice that it carries a Pavway GBU laser guided bombs underneath. Alright folks, it's time to wrap up this video. As always guys, I like to keep my videos just short and minimal. I don't want you guys just watching me fumble around with the model and just fall asleep. Anyways, if you guys like my content, please consider subscribing if you haven't already, and that way you will never miss any of my latest or weekly videos, so to speak. And thanks for watching.